Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be making Ghanaian chips, which is called chin chin. I have got a plain flour here, butter, and I've got a pinch of salt and about a small spoon of sugar. I've got garlic here and half onion. And this bit is nutmeg. I have this already blended that myself, and as you can see I've got the garlic and the ginger here, half and 3 of the garlic, and I've literally just blended the same size in here. I use like a small amount of water to blend this. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I'm just going to wash my hands and I'll be right back. Alright, all done. So first what I'll be doing is I'll be adding the plain flour here, and I'll be adding this sugar and a pinch of salt. And let me pick this up, as I don't need this because I've already blended some of it here, which is the same amount that I'm using. So I'll be putting the nutmeg in here, and then the butter. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix this up, and I will be putting all the instructions for the ingredients, what I use for it. As you can see that I'm not putting any water. I'm just going to keep using the butter to do this. Okay, so I'm just going to keep doing that. Now you can see that all the butter is mixed perfectly. So I'm now going to add the garlic and the ginger. Mind me, my head is somewhere else. So I'm just going to keep mixing this until it turns into dough. Okay, so now I'm just mixing in. It's turned to dough. So okay. Oh, that smells really nice, isn't it, sweetheart?
Yes.
I got my cheeky little buggers here. They're waiting to dig in it, as in it's their younger brother's birthday. So making this with a bit of peanuts and stuff. I should have made it a bit sugary, but obviously after I finish this bit I'm going to make another one by just pure sugar. Then I'll show you what I'll do with. Okay, I've cut it in two, so I'm just gonna deal with one at the moment. Okay. Okay. So I'm now just going to not too hard, because obviously I had to leave it in. You can leave it in the fridge for a bit, but I've got to get this done really quick. as I've got a lot of other party foods to cook. So I'm just gonna do this one quick because I got 2 more of these to make. Okay, sorry, that's my little cheeky burger. Okay, so as it's like this, I'm just gonna cut it on like that. Usually I'll do it in small little squares, but today you can see that you see that I'm just do that after I've cut it into little small squares, because sometimes they get, and you can see that that's long, so I'm just gonna like cut it into, mind, I could use a scissors instead for this. Alright, that's gonna take me a while, so I'm just cutting it onto this sort of shape, and I'll show you and then I'll stop and get all of them done quite fast. So this is the shape that I've cut them. So I'm going to do the rest of them like that, and don't forget, it's literally you cut it flat